see, your teacher has been very busy. You have a bottle, and on that bottle there will be a sock. So I had quite a big bottle there, and I've decorated it so it looks like a funny person. I've also got some felt material here, which I just stuck on with some tape, or you could use an elastic band. And what we're going to do is, well, I'm not going to tell you, you're going to have to watch my volunteer. There should be a plate in front of you with a small amount of bubble solution. And what I want you to do, okay, first of all, get the bottle and put it into your mouth and blow down through the bottle like a trumpet. Can you feel the air moving through? Good stuff. Now the sock is made up of lots of tiny holes. Remember, the size of the bubbles depends on the aperture of our bubble wand. So what size of the bubble is going to be when they come through the sock? Are we ready? Okay, so volunteer, dip the end of the sock into the bubble mixture. Tray on the floor, and you're going to stand in front of the tray and you're going to blow down through your trumpet. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, blow. Keep blowing, keep blowing. Okay. Oh, look! Have you managed to make your column go all the way down to the floor? So we have made a foam blowing monster. Here I've got much smaller holes. So my volunteer, dip yours back into the soap bubbles. And let's do that again. Big deep breath. Wow, look. These bubbles are so small, I can actually change the shape. Look at this. I love this. Woo! And there are toys called foamies, and the toy has a cloth inside its mouth which is very similar to the micro cloths that we use when we're washing up. So I have to squirt it so it's with a bubble mixture. Now, looking at the size of these bubbles, I can tell that the holes of this cloth are a little bit smaller than the holes in the sock, but a little bit bigger than the holes in the felt. Oh my goodness, I'm going to need another volunteer. So when we pause, I'm going to have one volunteer going and another volunteer coming back. So pause the video, have tray 3 ready for my next volunteer.